So when you're practicing this way, if you focused on one thing, ideally you made one specific improvement. Pat yourself on the back. You now realize that if you've eliminated one problem just with one practice, it's simply a matter of time till you've eliminated everything you don't like. Now, sometimes people do this and they actually make things worse. Typically, that's because they made one of two errors. They either tried to fix 5 things at once, in which case the brain just gets confused, or they picked something that was too general or abstract. I want to be more confident this time. What does that mean? Confidence is a combination of a lot of different factors. So if you wanted to move your head more, focus on moving your head more rather than having it straight and rigid. You got to focus on something really tangible with your voice, with your body, with your hands. It can't be general or abstract. And you've got to focus on something that's changeable. I can't look at the video and say, wow, I wish my eyes weren't small and beady and close together. You've got to focus on things you actually can control. So that's the next step of this process, evaluating. Did you, in fact, make a change for the positive or not? If you didn't do it again right now. Don't go to the next step until you've figured out how to do one practice media interview and you've made one specific improvement, and only one.